Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Today, we're going to make baked barbecue chicken with rosemary. I'm going to show you how to put that together. It is so simple. We're first going to start with our nicely cleaned and trimmed chicken thighs, medium size. I also have chili powder of your choice. I have seasoned salt of your choice. I also have barbecue sauce of your brand. I'm using Kraft today. We also have olive oil. I have some fresh garlic, and I have, of course, fresh chopped rosemary. Okay guys, this is a very simple dish. I'm going to show you how to get this together. Okay, first let's start with olive oil. Just get a little bit going. All right. Put a nice fresh garlic. Okay. We're going to do that seasoned salt. Just spread it evenly. Okay. We're going to hit it with our rosemary. This is going to be our seasoning we're making for our chicken. Okay. A little chili powder. You just want to cover evenly. Hold up. All right. Just cover it evenly. Chili powder. Okay. We're going to hit it with our barbecue sauce. Yes. All right. Okay. Wonderful. Let's incorporate that and see the consistency. This is going to be our rub for the chicken. This is what we're going to rub on our chicken, and then we're going to throw it in the oven. This is our rub. Well, that consistency is looking nice. Now we put the oil because the olive oil keeps the sugar from burning. Remember, from the barbecue sauce, that sugar burns first. So that oil will help that from burning and getting it cooking nice and evenly. That seems about it. I'm going to give it a quick taste to make sure the seasonings are blended evenly. All right, I'm going to add a little more seasoned salt, and I think that should do it. Evenly. Okay. Just mix that up a little bit. Remember guys, it's all in your taste. You don't want it to be too much of one thing. You got to balance it out. That's the key. Balance it out. All right, this looks about right. Now we take our chicken thighs. Don't be shy. You know me, guys. Get that flavor going. Wonderful. Just mix them up. Get your hands in there. Yes. Oh, doesn't that look great, guys? Get that nice rub in there. That's what you want. All right. Just pressing it in there nicely. And this is what you want. Okay? Okay guys, these looks beautiful. Wow. So this is what we're going to do. This has been sitting for 30 minutes just to get those flavors soaked into the meat nicely. Now we're going to cover it and put it into our preheated oven, which was for 350. Okay, we're going to let it go in the oven covered for 20 minutes and then take it back out and take the cover off and let it fully cook for the next 15 minutes or until fully cooked. We're going to do this together. All right, here we go. Okay guys, 20 minutes. Let's see what we got. All right, that looks great. Let's just put a little out, baste it a little bit nicely. Wonderful, just baste it nicely. And now we're going to put it back in the oven, uncovered. Look at that, that looks great. Okay, and get some nice color. All right, it smells delicious. Okay guys, here you have it. Baked barbecue chicken with rosemary. This is delicious. Look at that, right out the oven. Thanks guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and I would love to hear your comments. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.